Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a stylish frame or border to your image in Wix, and also how to give it that extra pop with a shadow effect. Whether you're updating your portfolio, designing your website's homepage, or just want your images to stand out, this guide will help you transform a plain picture into something eye-catching and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize borders, adjust their appearance, and tweak shadows to make your visuals shine. So let's get right into it. All right, so here we have an image already placed on our Wix canvas, and you can see there's some text overlaid on it. Maybe you want this image to stand out more, separate it from the background, or simply give it a finished, polished look. Adding a border is the perfect way to do that. It's a small design choice, but trust me, it makes a big difference in how viewers perceive your site. To get started, make sure you've selected the image you want to edit. Next, head over to the Inspector panel. If you're new to Wix or just haven't used the Inspector much, it's basically your main control center for tweaking the appearance and settings of most elements on your page. Hover right below until you see the border options. It might take a moment to locate if your Inspector panel is packed with options. No need to rush, just look for the section labeled Border. Once you've found it, this is where you control the thickness of your image's border. You'll see a slider or number box that lets you adjust the border width. If you want a subtle outline, go for a smaller number. But if you're aiming for a bold, eye-catching frame, feel free to crank up the width. Play around until it feels just right. Remember, if you're unsure, you can always preview your site to see how it looks compared to other elements. Now, you probably don't want your border to be just the standard color. So let's add a little personality. In the same border section, you'll see a color option. Click on it, and a color picker will appear. You can choose from default colors, create your own using the palette, or even input a specific hex code if you have a brand color in mind. Try picking a color that contrasts nicely with your image and the text. For example, if your image is mostly bright, a darker border can make it pop off the canvas. And if you're working on a themed site, keep your brand colors in mind here for consistency. To take things up a notch and really make your image frame look professional, add a shadow below your border. There should be a shadow section right nearby. Click to enable it, and you'll notice several options appear, like shadow position, spread, and blur. Here's a quick tip. Adding a shadow can create a sense of depth, almost like your image is hovering above the page. To make it more natural and less harsh, go ahead and increase the blur. A higher blur softens the edges of the shadow, making it look like a gentle glowing effect rather than a hard outline. This also helps your image blend in smoothly with the surrounding design, but still attracts the viewer's focus. And that's basically it. You've turned a simple image with some overlay text into a visually impressive element just by using borders and shadows. These are small tweaks, but they go a long way in making your Wix site look clean, modern, and professional. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you want tips on customizing images even further. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials like this. I've got plenty more design tricks to share. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!